Love got smaller, he got bigger. Look, they got taller, pulling that trigger. Love got smaller, how you bigger? Nigga got taller, how you bigger? The little nigga, look at them good niggas, look at them old niggas. Acting like they big, like they pulling no triggers. Leaving a nigga like me stuck in the cold out the figure. Out in the brain, son. How you gonna free me up? Come with something like a freezer box, icicle. Come on, something to coming through this bristle when the game with the 2 pistols and brains. Gotta blow them out, blow them away. Guns in the mouth, guns out the window when I bust, nigga. Like 187, favorite number, bitch. You see, nigga, too many dumb niggas trying to reach the go to heaven. Yeah, you gonna make it there when you're dead. Little nigga, you coming down here. Hell earth, but little niggas like me don't care. I tear the game up. Little niggas better recognize I'm more the pistol, son. That's my name, bro. You already see niggas call it some my brother name. You get scarred up, little nigga, cause you ain't show me love. You to my music, son. Now I'm gonna put you up, bro, stupid. Love got smaller, nigga got bigger. You got taller, now I'm gonna pull triggers. Love got smaller, hate got bigger. You come around taller, I'm pulling that trigger. There's nothing wrong with my fingers, it's really like twitching. These little niggas wanna fight me, son, ass kicking. Come on, son, took that gun, surviving, still tallin'. Stand tall, cause that had me crawling. Come on, dawg, down allin'. Come on, son, my killers come through. Unit gang is what I coming through. Come on, son, you love my music? How you do? Come on, dawg, you ain't never push play. Never heard my shit. Never heard what I say, son, till I ditch you, bitch. Get out the way, cause come on through, jump the pistol, jump, grabbing AKs, grabbing 4/5, all that, son, to put all around my waist, cause I'm ready for the war battle. Are you ready for war? Come on, boy, Baltimore horse. Come on, son, now to roll up the tattle. Come on, dog, to climb on up. Little niggas fill your cattle. Little nigga, hold up, nigga, I'm the king, but I'm the queen in my castle. Little niggas brand new, hit me up, get me on the ground like you wanna wrestle. Have me tired to take a up, motherfucker, like a pretzel. Come on, son, I'ma tear him up. Little pistol in this game, it's calling out revenge, boy, because you say my name in vain. Come on, son, it's a shame. These little niggas don't know who they playing with. I don't come so plain for a reason. Little niggas catch the airplane, boy, if before you not breathing. Little nigga, pistol still squeezing. Told these little niggas to stop playing me like a child, son. Still teasing. Come on, son, cause I ain't the one, I ain't tolerating nothing. Little niggas better holler up the game with a collar in your brain, son. Man, you stunting. Love got smaller, he got bigger. You got taller, now I'm pulling triggers. Love got smaller, he got bigger. You got taller, I'm pulling them triggers. Niggas, they the only ones with their hatred in their heart. Or you started something, we can finish, son. So now I'ma take you apart. Little nigga pistol, love to show love. Come on, brand the game, 4-letter words, son. Got you going up like an angel. Still flying with the wings, son. And now they strangers. Straight through to me, son. They call themselves kings, now they tangle. The little pistol coming do what I gotta do. Little niggas come around, son, they hate me now. I'm a nigga with attitude. Nigga always with a frown. Nigga always got a face red with upside down. Take your brains apart, son. Now what you wanna do, nigga? Come I'ma kill a clown. I'ma kill you right here, right now. Nigga, no time wasted. Real rhymes that I say, son, better recognize I erase them quick and just put you down. Memory lost. You come around, son. I'm an enemy now. Now you is, son. Now I'm facing the boss. You better recognize who you playing with, nigga. No cost. Take your life out. Take that shit for free. Come around, son. Spit the lyrics, son. Spit this up for the police. No niggas a pussy. Come on, dog. I don't give a damn about nothing. Come on, dog. The earth stinks. Come on, son. I hate this planet. I hate this world. I hate these niggas living all little ass girls. Yeah, I'm talking about you niggas too. Come on, dog. Acting like you pulling triggers, son. Where it's pressure, boo. Come on, son, cause you got the big breast that put up in you. Come on, dog. Nothing. You little niggas going jail, son. Now you screaming, you fighting. Niggas ripping the shit out your little ass. Little nigga duct tape, son. Little nigga got the clips, blow it fast, son. No hesitating, no wasting. No little niggas come past your little statement, son. They'll waste it, put it in the trash can in the case. Little niggas put in the suitcase. Come on, son, that stick out quick. Come on, son, I can shoot just in case you didn't notice. Your pistol ain't bogus, I ain't hocus pocus. I'm still in this motherfucker, so I still appear, John, to be a joke in your eyes like I'm a bitch. Come on, dog, you better remember this. Little pistol in the game, son, you already know, son. I'm an Aaron Temple kid. Love got smaller, hate got bigger. Haters got taller, now I'm pulling triggers. Love got smaller, hate got bigger. Them niggas got taller, now I'm pulling triggers. Look at them niggas call themselves my brothers. Come on, son, we got two different mothers. We ain't that close, you ain't even real. I'ma treat you like my brother, son, and put you down the hill. Walk on a pistol field with the evil is born and raised from the desert. You motherfuckers don't know you be in the middle of the field. Come on, dog, little nigga like burning weather. Summer season, little niggas is always something, young. Now I get the squeezing, show these niggas how I get down. I ain't about pleasing little niggas, young, but I love pleasing these bullets when I rust these rounds. All in my clip, 4/5 and all that, son. I'm dressed up, falling up quick. No, ask me what my name be on, where it come from, where you think it came from, nigga. I came from the real thing, that real gun to bang. You better recognize, nigga, I'm insane through the brain. But if you didn't know, you better ask niggas in the streets, son, 'cause they already know how I get down, boy. You better recognize who you playing with, stay on the back of the seat. Little pistol, they niggas strap of the black heat. Come on, son, actually, these little niggas come bash at me. Come on, son, you better recognize. Trying to attack the kid on the sneak tip. These little niggas talking about they from Baltimore and the DC. Smack them on, son, y'all all whores. Y'all niggas ain't nothing to me, son. We can all bust from guns like it's World War IV. Come on, son, I'm pushing the door. Little nigga knocking on the doorbell. Come on, son, here, so you over the door. That little whore, she going down too, son, as well. Cause I ain't giving a fuck about nothing. That kid right there, yeah, she gonna feel the shit in the brains. Cause I don't give a damn, son, cause this life is pain. Now you gonna feel it. The pistol, son, and I'm killing it. Man, fuck this rip. Fuck the lyrics, son. You know that's how I get it. Come on, son, recording, making these videos, and these little niggas ain't doing nothing but give me comments that I don't like, son. Now I gotta give them home. Come on, son, let it be known, son. Know the guns up. Cool little niggas, know where you at. Don't expect you gonna blow up. Come on, son. The pistol, John. I'm losing it, man, young. I told him, John, I can't concentrate no more, nigga. You already know the business. Love banger boy, son, who's the witness? I don't give a fuck, son, I ain't finished shit. Come on, dog, you know how I get down the real. Little nigga Rippy, little Rob boy, little Billy. Come on, dog, go and pop him, son, and he ain't do his job, son. Now I'ma show him he ain't even keep it real. Talking about he my homeboy, talking about his nigga. Calling me his G, son, now nigga, how you figure? You know me, come on, dog, you don't know me, son. Talking about you from New York City, come on, dog, now you little bitch ass nigga hopping on your mom titty. That little saggy ass titty, she sagging. You already know, like bagging the bragging. Little niggas dragging. Love got smaller, hate got bigger. Niggas got taller, now I'm pulling triggers. Hate got smaller, they got bigger. They got taller, now I'm pulling triggers. Look at JR, that nigga with the AR, that nigga with the ugly mom, they riding in that red car. Come on, dog, my same color. Come on, son, we ain't same, nigga. We like same brothers, got two names from two different motherfuckers. Come on, dog, you know what you playing with. You talking about you love my music, man, you can't remember my lyrics. Come on, dog, that means your mind twisted. Come on, son, you got me itching. Really blow your brains out quick, but I can't. You already know, son. I'm just waiting. I'm just trying to get my chill on. Now I'm taking two over mic. You said me. I'm gonna use next time, son. Yeah, right. Come on, son. You wanna fight? That's all you talk about, right? Come on, y'all. Come on, young son. I'll shot the gun, yeah, and take your motherfucking life. You got nothing but a knife. You ever see? Now I got one too. You see, we get battle, young. And see, you gonna make it to the floor, son. You gonna stand tall, young. You already know how I get. That's what you get. Little fake niggas around there, son. I never liked your lyrics. You cold reading in the game, son. I know you write that bullshit. I hear it. Come on, dog. Take that one verse, here, a little pussy phone. Come on, son. That's not, son. Leave me alone, son. You already know I'm stuck in the zone. Little niggas do what I do, young. and I don't give a fuck you think it's wrong. You ever see, John, I think it's right. Absolutely, little nigga, tell the cops to introduce me to the present life. This would it be, son, rep a Dutch, son, embracing your wife. Little nigga piss on the game, son. Yeah, nigga, I said I had a fat wife. Fat bitch you ever see with the B, son. I got nuts, son. Now I'm stacking chips. Now I'm trying to stack this like little niggas coming around like fat kicks. Come on, dumb little niggas that duct tape. You already know that's what I'm about. Murdering your brains, boy. Ain't no way to escape. Love got smaller, hate got bigger, niggas got taller, now I'm pulling triggers. Love got smaller, hate got bigger, niggas got taller, now I'm pulling trigger. Little niggas getting sad, they already getting worried, they losing their thoughts out their head, they ain't get buried. Got me flying on the motherfucking airplane. Little nigga pistol, that nigga gone again. Still little nigga rolling right up on the coaster block. Sitting up going around and going down like I'm telling him to stop. Come on, John. You can't tell me, John, I'm tired of that. Little niggas get tired, boy, like they getting tired of popping this Glock. Come on, dog, you ain't even know what I got in my pocket. They stuck in my sock, little nigga jacket. Little nigga, stop it. Come on, John. I try to be a good nigga. I like to smile, like to laugh. You already know, like to chill with people, son. We all can have a blast, but at the same time, bitch, I can turn your life, burn it in trash. You ever see, told you play time, yeah, it don't last. Come on, John, what you think it do? Cause you's a kid, man, fuck you too. Cause I'm a grown man, still standing. 31 is old, son. I told you I'm a man. Come on, dog, I'm a main nigga with a mean brain that always think and they never lose it. Come on, dog, I don't stop it. And she keep going, John. I'm always on top, kid. I don't give a damn about nothing. Niggas gonna be better than me. You can't, here's the stunting. Come on, dog, hit the money, hit the trophy, hit the champion belt that I wore so many years, son. Now you trying to choke me. So now I swear I'm gonna blow your brains away. Come on, dog, the murder is on my mind, son. I said it every damn day, cause I don't care, young. Yeah, this nigga saying something dumb. This little nigga running now. Pistol. Love got smaller, hate got bigger, niggas got taller, now I'm pulling trigger. Love got smaller, hate got bigger, niggas got taller, now I'm pulling trigger. Shit, I spit one more time, one more verse. Got too many fucking rhymes, niggas coming dumb now. Little nigga pistol, what? Put that gun down with them gun rounds. Come on, dog, I can't do it. I'm really going hot there, yeah. You see, with the beard like a prostitute, and you see, to substitute, and the little niggas know. Yeah, I come around, John say, fuck you and your rules, boy, I got it. Little pistol still up on that murder plotted, right up on the clock, kid. You already know what it red got it talking. Little niggas already know how to be a monster. Beast that will never change with the love game, son. You see me ranging, but I can quickly change it. You quickly switch my fingers. You ever see y'all be a monster, son, and groove things, man. You already know, so once you stay away from the kid, you already know, cause you ain't, nigga, you gonna be dead, nigga. That's what you want, you gonna get it. I got no love, so fuck a bitch. You already know, nigga. Got my music, son, that's all I love, y'all. That's my trick. You already know, nigga. We take a trip right to the game. Pistol. Ha ha ha.